Hello and welcome back to my channel if you're returning. If you are new, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. One of my favorite things to do on this channel is unbox liquidation and mystery boxes live and then come back 90 days later and share my results with you. So today I'm actually doing a 90-day update. This is on the Everlane's Intimates box I purchased from Helpsy Source a few months ago. So if you want to see if I actually made a profit and if I would buy another one, definitely stick around. So this box was 40 pieces. It was listed on the website for $240, but because I have an affiliate code for 10% off, it was $216, making each piece $5.40 a piece. If you want to use that code, by the way, too, it is linked down below. Anybody can use my affiliate code, oh yeah, for 10% off. So I listed all of this stuff back mid-May, and it was a box full of, basically it had three different things. It had, well, maybe four different things. It had bodysuits, underwear, and bras and sports bras. So that's, I guess, what they classified as intimates, but it was a pretty even mix of those three. It was a little heavier on bodysuits. So I listed everything. I've had a chance to see it sell off, and I'll share my results with you today. If you like content like this, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. Every time I do an unboxing on this channel, I come back 90 days later and I show you my results so that if you're a reseller, you can make, maybe educated decisions about what you're buying for your own reseller business. And it helps me stay accountable too to what I'm ordering. So I love sharing this stuff with you. And hit that like button if you do find this helpful. That really helps out my channel a lot. And it lets me know that you do like this kind of content. All right, so I'm only going to share with you the top 10 highest selling items. This is another one of those boxes that had a lot of the same or similar items, and it would be very redundant for me to show you every single sale, especially like the underwear and stuff. I mean, those sold off for $4, $5, $6. We'd be here for a long time, and I feel like I would bore you to death. So I'm going to show you what sold the highest dollar amount sales. I'll show you what I have left. And then at the end, I'll give you some general statistics and I'll give you my final opinion on this box. So as far as the top selling sales, there was this black seamless sports bra. This was a $16 Poshmark sale. And we're starting with this one, but everything below it sold for $15 or below. So you get what I'm saying. These were not high dollar sales by any means. This one sold just about 30 days, just about 90 days it took. $16 Poshmark sale. Then I had this black long sleeve bodysuit, and this box was full of black bodysuits, and some were long sleeve, and some were short sleeve, and some were half sleeve, and some were thong, and some were full coverage. So it was a lot to decipher, but they looked so very similar. But anyway, this was a black long sleeve bodysuit, size medium. This one was a $17 Poshmark sale. It did sell right away, one day after listing, and it did sell in a bundle. Then I had the Renew bra. I had a few of these, and this one was the light tan color. This one also was a bundle sale of it shows that I sold it for $17.25, which is what it equaled out to per piece, but this one did sell in a bundle as well. And this one sold the same day I listed it. So I did have some quick sales out of this box. Then I had a navy printed sports bra. This one actually sold the exact same day I listed it for $18. That was an offer. So I probably listed it for 22 or so, 20, sent an offer, somebody accepted it. I send offers on every item that gets a like, even if I just listed it, because I expect that I'm going to make a lot of sales via offer to likers. So I account for that in my original starting price. So I did send an offer the same day. Then I had this short sleeve crew neck bodysuit. This was black, size extra large. This one I probably don't have a screenshot for because this one sold very quickly after listing it, and this was an eBay sale, but it sold for $18 on eBay. I think somebody sent me an offer, which I accepted on that one. Here's another of the Renew bra. In fact, I think I only had, no, there was a total of 3, but 2 made the top 10. So this one was dark tan. This was a $19.79 Poshmark sale. Again, because of the odd number, I could tell you that was sold in a bundle. These were great bundling items, by the way, because they were so small, lightweight, and not really worth a whole ton each in their own right. But I actually did sell quite a few. I would say that at least half of the items in this box that sold in a bundle on Poshmark. So just something to think about if you like selling bundles. These aren't super high sales in their own right, but quick sales nonetheless because they were all purchased in bundles. The next two are the exact same item, but one sold on eBay and one on Posh. Both sold for $22. This is the black long sleeve thong bodysuit in a size medium. So same amount, same sale price, same size, same item, two different platforms. And then there was this brown crew neck bodysuit. This was a size extra small, a $22 Poshmark sale. And last was there was a black short sleeve thong bodysuit for $23, which was a Poshmark sale as well. Those last two sold relatively quickly within a few weeks. So that's the top 10. You can see the highest selling item sold for $23 and my cost of goods was $5.40. So I did those sell. This box had 40 items and I've sold 32. I only have 8 left. So the majority of what was in here did sell off. What's left, and I kind of have them lumped together over here. There are a few bodysuits, there are a few sports bras, and then there's like one pair of underwear, I think. The underwear sold incredibly quick. I was a little bit disappointed. The cost of goods was $5.40 per piece, and there were underwear in this box that retailed for like $10 or $12 a pair, but they actually sold very quickly. People made bundles or they added the underwear to bundles they were making. And so they sold anywhere from $4 to $8.50. And no, not huge profits, but I at least recouped the cost of those items and I did it in a hurry. So no complaints there. Yeah. So actually that went kind of quick, but that was everything. If you are interested in any of the items that are still left, the links to my Poshmark, eBay, Mercari are down below. They're still listed. So a couple statistics on this box. Again, I paid $2.16 for the 40 items. My lowest sale price was $4, highest being $22. Average sale price, $13.24. And usually with liquidation, I want to at least double my money. The cost of goods was low on this box, but also so was the average sale price. So did I actually double my money? And if I doubled my money, I would have made my $2.16 back plus an additional $2.16 in profit. And I'm at $146.63. So I haven't quite doubled, but I'm close. If I can sell off a couple more of these bodysuits, I'll be right at double. This box was pretty easy to list because there were so many duplicates of the same thing. And it was very easy for me to find the stock photos and descriptions on the internet or on the Everlane website. So this didn't really take me all that long to list. I would have liked to double, but we're not quite there. Would I order another one? I really should be saying no because I didn't double my money in 90 days, but actually, yes, I would. This stuff sold quick. It was easy to list, and I have so much other Everlane stuff from Helpsy that I've been selling that it really attracts, the different types of products attract buyers to my closet. So somebody might be searching for sweaters and see that I also have bodysuits, or they might be searching for jeans and see that I also have sweaters and etc. So there's a lot better chance of me getting bundles and making more sales. So I actually did, and I don't know when you're going to see this video, but Helpsy Source in the beginning of September did restock this box as well as several of their other Everlane boxes, and I did order this again and a few others. So the answer is yes, I would order this again just based on how quickly what did sell sold off, how easy it was to list, and the fact that I do believe it draws attention to the other items in my closet. So that was a short and sweet little update for you today. Let me know what you think, or if you've ever ordered this box. Did you have the same luck, or are you still sitting on some of your intimates? Did you order it recently, and was it similar to what came in this box? I'm definitely interested to know. Certainly make sure you subscribe if you are interested in content like this. Like I said in the beginning, every single time I do an unboxing, I come back 90 days later and give you an update. So definitely subscribe if you're into that sort of thing, and hit that like button on the way out. It really, really helps out my channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. But that's all for today, friends. Thank you so, so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.